Let's give these a try. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups Sugar Cookie. So peanut butter, or milk chocolate peanut butter stuffed with sugar cookie bites. Let's give these a try. So I've been trying to search for these for a while. Couldn't find these at Walmart, but I did find these at my local Price Chopper supermarket. And I like the little Christmas themes, like little snowflakes and everything on the wrappers right there. Makes the holiday season. Although this is not very holiday colors. It's not like green or red. It's just orange and blue, I guess. I don't know. I guess the orange for the Reese's and blue from the sugar cookie. I don't know. Let's give these a try. Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here. Can't really tell that these are any different than like the regular Reese's peanut butter cups. I think because they're miniatures. But they do have a slight taste of like a sugar cookie taste, which is pretty good. These are pretty good. They're not disappointing like the rest of the last couple of Reese's flavors I've had. They're actually pretty good. Last couple of Reese's flavors I've had were kind of disappointing. I think the wasn't it the butterscotch or something like that. No, the lava. These are a lot better than the lava cups, the chocolate lava cups. So these are a lot better. But I think if I'd probably just get the regular. I'm gonna do review. These are the mini ones, but next week I'm gonna go to Walmart and see if they have the full size of the Reese's sugar cookie, because I think those be a little bit better because they probably actually have the more of the pieces of the sugar cookie and the candy. So these are the miniature ones. If I don't find the full size, that's fine, but I did a review of the miniature at least. So I'd give these a 7 out of 10. They're actually pretty good.